So these are some of the food locals designated here at Adivay Wangala Trinidad. It's once upon a year tradition or culture or celebration yan ng mga tao dito. Batarong Cafe is here. A taste of local Thai food, di ba? Kara food, yeah, so nice. It's like the celebration is like for all of the municipalities of Benguet, Cordilleras, ganyan. They come together to showcase their what they have in each of their municipalities. Of course, food is one, always one. Pero regardless of na to, kung ano nang yung pagsamba na i-benta.
Mr. Sherwin Belisho and Mr.
Raya.
Paano tayo makakakuha ng pagkain natin nag-ano kayo dyan?
May chowking pa.
Coach.
Alam ko naman kung saan tayo kain. Nakita na ako dun. You want Thai food? May Thai food dun eh. Hindi mo nakita? Ano sa kabila? Yan. Welcome to Adivay 2025. We've been around for like how many years? Tapos ngayon na lang ulit nakabalik. So, nagulot ako. Natagdagan ng mga stations. Yan. Nasukat na yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26. O, diba meron ng Fernando Po Jr. na station. Saka pa? Meron na rin Yamaha Monumento. O, pangalan niya. May sukat na rin. O, astig. What has changed in Manila for how many years? Yan, isa. Why not? Check it out.